na ano may US visa ang imuhang pass. I accept. Mga, okay, abot dahil ka sa abot dahil ka dali. So, scroll down until sa maubot ka sa start application. So, do you want to apply for more than one person? Kung ikaw ra isa, no. I want to apply for visitor visa or super visa. Why do you need a visa? To visit Canada as tourist. Click lang. I will be traveling to Vancouver October 2 to October 10. The purpose of my visit is tourism. Butangin mo ang reason na mo ato ka dito. Then, kanusan mo ato sa Canada October 2 to October 10. UCI is kung wala pa kay previous Canada visa, pero na kay valid US visa, wala pa kay UCI. Pero, if you have a previous Canada visa issued in the past 10 years, katong ingon ako sa inyo nga unique customer identification number, mo itong ibutang ninyo dire. Itong UCI number, itong atong ipakita ganina sa Canada visa katong 8 digits.
Kung nawala, magsabi ka na lang ng...
Optional man mo biya. So, no problem. Okay? Now, since ilalagay mo dyan lahat ng detalye mo kasi ang pangalan mo, birthday mo, yeah, maglabas yung dati mong UCI. Maglabas. Okay, documents you need to complete the application, information you need to enter. Yeah, continue to application. Okay, surname, first name, birthday, gender. So, travel document, passport, regular, ibutang mo. Okay, passport number, okay. Are you a lawful permanent resident of the United States? O nito mga PR, mga kuan, so no. Have you held a Canada visa in the past 10 years? Wala. Do you currently hold a US non-immigrant visa? In my case, wala pa man. No. Tara na to. No. Are you traveling to Canada by air? Yes. However, atong i-check kung naana siya US visa. So, if the passenger is holding a valid US visa or Canadian visa issued in the past 10 years, mo ni ang outcome. Okay, let's say, have you held a Canadian visitor visa in the past 10 years? Wala. Do you currently hold a valid US non-immigrant visa? Yes. So, Mahoney, visa number, expiry date. Are you using a different passport for this application than the one you used to get your US visa?
No.
For example, ang imuang US visa napa sa old. Diba? Or, naka-drop box na ka, so naka sa new. So, let's say, yes. So, pangayuan ka sa imuhang documents to upload nga kana lang visa, kana lang passport nga na ang imong US visa. Pag nag-ingon ka diha o pag-ingon ka na no, kato. Pag nag-ingon ka diha og yes, ibutang nimo ang passport details ato, passport number, ana. So, easy lang. Unya, makita nimo. So, non-immigrant visa, mo na expiry date. So, okay. Are you using a different passport in the application? Morning example na to kung nasa old pa ang iyang visa. So, Philippine passport, what is the passport number? Confirm passport number. Diba? When was the passport issued? Kung nasa old ang visa, putangin mo na date of expiry, kung kano sa nag-expire to. Are you traveling to Canada by air? Yes. So, easy, di ba? So where the city, citizenship, blah blah blah. Do you have a valid national ID? Wala. If you tick yes, this is the outcome. So, kung na kay national ID, muna ang pangayoon. Document number, date of issue, and then select the country na nag-issue. Have you used another name in the past? Sa mga babae, single and married name. So, pag mo click ka og yes, click add, butangin mo ang family name nimo, butangin mo ang first name nimo, reason, na siya reason na drop down, marriage, divorce,
Separated.
Surname, last name. What type of name? Name before marriage or maiden name? Previous name. So, muna siya. Residential address, very easy. Add a country, syempre citizen, since birth. Nanganawag. Weird, di ba? So, mana. In the last 10 years, have you provided your biometrics when applying for a visitor visa sa Canada? So, wala. Okay, first time pa man niya mag-Canada, pero naa siya active, valid US visa. Kaya nga no, ang biometrics mo sa Canada, valid for 10 years bago siya